As far as you can see the tide of orange fans here. The orange tide has come up here, and it's an ocean of FC Goa fans. This is tremendous, unbelievable scenes here. But they were expected though, because FC Goa fans are so passionate and they are really in love with Sergio Lobera's team. And we can see the ample testimony of all that, because these thousands of fans have travelled from all over Goa, and they are here with number of buses lined up in the background, and they are just going crazy. स्टेडियमाच्या चारूय वाटेन तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता FC गोवाचे फॅन्स राविल्ले आसा आनी सामको एकूच गजर सगळ्यांचो. Definitely this is going to be one fiery clash, and we can see all that passion as the fans cheer for their team, and they are building a real atmosphere here, and it's definitely it goes without saying that the atmosphere inside will be electrifying. And let's know what the fans are feeling. Let us know what the views of the fans are. They गोंयच्यान हांगा तांणी ट्रॅव्हल केला मॅची खातीर. What are your views ahead of the game?
जिंकतले रे जिंकतले FC Goa जिंकतले जिंकतले रे जिंकतले FC Goa जिंकतले. We are going to win today. Yes sir. The 2019 Cup is only for FC Goa. गोंयकार परत घेतले कप सारखे उजो उजो.
Why are you all so confident that Goa जिंकतले? कितें तुमकां गोंयचे अशें दिसता that will be
Goa has been the most consistent team here for the ISL 2019. We have scored the most goals in 2019. This time Goa is going to get the golden boot.
Golden boot and also trophy as well. Yes. Uza, 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 uza.
Wow, that's nice. Very encouraging. Tell us something about the painting. तुवें काडला?
Voyan काडला हे painting, and it's for Koro. My love for Koro. He plays like Uzo, and today he's going to win the game. Uzo.
That's very nice, very nice. There's a lot of creativity in Goa, no doubt about it, and we have seen a lot of many examples of that today with everything they have done. The fans of Goa are the best, no doubt about it. fan here with us. What are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling really great. We have come all the way from Goa to take our trophy home.
Do you think they can win a trophy?
Yes, they can.
What gives you confidence? So guys, are you all set for the final? I think Goa fans are outnumbering the Bangalore fans easily. So the team bus has left from their base at Grand Hyatt and they are on the way. They'll be reaching here at the Mumbai Football Arena at the Andheri Sports Complex. Any time from now, I think the crowd, the fans can get a little back and make a way. So guys, how does this matchup feel to you? Goa playing Bangalore. Goa have lost both their games in the league stage. So how would they go about their business today? What do you feel?
We are feeling proud because we won the FC Goa and we have come to Mumbai to see FC Goa from all the way from Goa to see the biggest of stadium in Mumbai.
You can hear the
100% we are taking the trophy to Goa tonight.
revenge is on your mind.
This is the trophy. This is the trophy which you can see.
एकदा फायनली आम्ही मारत So we continue to build up for this big game, the final of ISL 5 between FC Goa and Bangalore FC at the Mumbai Football Arena in Andheri. So we have with us more FC Goa fans and they want to express their views.
I hope FC Goa wins 3-0. We have heavy expectations on them. Hope they win today.
Yes.
Come on.
आज आम्ही परत लास्ट सपोर्ट आसा गोंयच्यान कितलेशेच जाण येयल्या आमचो सपोर्ट इजिली एफसी गोवा आमकां जिखतले.
Definitely, we have tremendous FC Goa fans, a number of FC Goa fans. I think they easily out FC fans for sure. And, they are in the full cry. They have a lot of confidence in this team. So let us know more views coming from FC Goa fans.
We will be winning by 3-1 FC Goa. And Koro will be the golden boot.
Ultimately, that has to happen. Definitely, it happened last year as well. Koro winning the Golden Boot.
I'm wishing all the best to my FC Goa team, and we are full of confidence that FC Goa team will win today.
Right.
We will learn from our past mistakes, and this time I don't think on this stadium with so much support FC Goa is going to commit any errors. We are going to come out as winners this time.
The stadium is a lucky hunting ground for Goa, a confident hunting ground for Goa. They have won all their games here in the recent history, so that gives confidence as well. So we are almost close to the arrival of the team bus here, and we are waiting for the FC Goa bus, obviously, as the fans of FC. I can see some Bangalore fans as well. You want to talk to us? All right, wearing Bangalore colors, not an issue, no problem. Bangalore security department for Bangalore. Yes. All right, cool. All the best to you guys and your team as well. We want a good final. The football should win ultimately, and that's our objective as well. Although we are FC Goa fans, die-hard FC Goa fans as well. So it's going to be a epic final for sure, and may the better team win, may the football eventually win, and that's the ultimate goal. But although we will really love it if FC Goa win the final. So we have fans from Bangalore FC, fans of Bangalore FC. Have you travelled from Bangalore or based in Mumbai?
Yeah.
We came in a flight in the morning. Around 300 people are
Right. So what are your views ahead of this big final?
So we will gonna win this one. So there is no question in asking that. So we are gonna win that. That's it.
Champions of India, we wanna sing that. We wanna sing that. We wanna sing that. Champions of India, we wanna sing that. ISL is BFC. ISL is BFC. ISL is BFC.
Right, so every set of fans ultimately support their team with a die-hard passion, and Bangalore FC fans are no different. They believe their team will win. Our fans believe FC Goa will win. We will see what happens in a couple of hours from now. But for sure, FC Goa fans have outnumbered Bangalore FC fans for sure, and that's a moral victory right away for FC Goa. Card. Lobero responded to all the electrifying atmosphere build-up that has been going on. He gave his thumbs up and received that ovation, that admiration from the fans. It is a tremendous atmosphere, believe me. We are bringing you almost live pictures. They put live from outside the Mumbai football arena. And then the second bus to get in was of Bangalore FC. You saw Indian football team captain Sunil Chhetri as well, receiving the admiration. Ultimately, football is what we all are here for. We love this game, beautiful game. But in the end, we are all Goans and we would want our home team, FC Goa, to win.
FC Goa! FC Goa! FC Goa! Who's that?